Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Cointracker app review in order to check if the app is worth downloading. So here's a breakdown. The Cointracker app is a powerful crypto portfolio and tax tracker that help you log all your trades, see the real-time value across 10,000 coin, generate details report including tax form in many countries without manually crunching spreadsheet. For anyone who buys sales often or need accurate profit loss tracking, it's one of the most complete tools out there. But the learning curve can be steep and the free plan limits the number of transactions you can import. Some users also find the interface a bit dated and overwhelming at first. So, in my opinion, the Cointracker is worth downloading if you want serial portfolio analytics and tax reporting for crypto. If you just hold one or two coins and trade infrequently, a simpler tracker might do better than this. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.